thanks for tuning into the channel today. We're doing a product review on the Fox Factory tailgate pad for a full-size pickup truck. For example, I'm driving a 2014 F-150. This will also fit a Dodge 1500 and pickups of that full size. So I just installed it on the truck now. It took me about 10 minutes. And this is what it looks like once it's completely installed. This is the inside of the box here. As you can see, it has these nice thick protective cushions here, these nice square blocks. The down tube will be situated in these middle gaps here, and then these straps, you simply undo them like so, and then you put your bike in and then just simply tie that back together. So I picked this up today. It was $179 taxes in Canadian, and it looks great. So I have a tonneau cover, which I just folded up to the back there, and yeah, it looks really good, and I'm very impressed with this product so far. And the good thing is this centerpiece here, it's attached by Velcro, so even without removing it, my tailgate is right under there, so I can simply let it go like so, or I can remove it completely and have it show, or I can leave it covered, and I'm probably going to leave it covered. And we'll just close that. This is what it looks like when it's removed. It's got some Velcro there, access to the key and the latch there. Now the good thing is I have a rear view camera, and if you just tuck it in a little bit right under there, the camera is completely visible and you have a perfect view for when you're reversing and backing into your spot. So again, once you buy the pad and you throw it over your vehicle, you just toss it over like so, and then it's going to have these nylon straps which just go under the tailgate. That dangle from the bottom of the pad under the tailgate. One by one, you just tuck them under. And then with one hand, you just pull them out from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I started with the second to the left, and you just bring it through these buckles here. You don't want to pull it too tight right away because you want to adjust the pad to the center of the tailgate. Once you have it secure, you just shut it like that, and then you can just pull it tight from the top. And I'm just going to grab my mountain bike and I'll show you what that looks like. So this is a Norco 29er. And you're just going to drop it in the back like so, and then turn the wheel to the side. So it fits in there, it's really snug. It's a Norco site 29er. It fits right in between the padding there. And even without doing the Velcro, it's very secured. And I'm turning the wheel to the right here, and as you can see, it's not touching any paint or anything like that. There's quite a bit of gap, so no issues there.